Now, put a little bit of this salmon on
Powder.
Ginger.
this ginger on the Philadelphia roll. I'm sorry, I haven't totally accompanied myself with
You gotta be louder, dude.
with everything all there.
Here in Japan.
Yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna put this in my mouth and I'm gonna chew it up just the way they told me.
Oh,
Mm. Mm. It's very. It's different.
I'm just gonna dive on in here.
I like it a lot. It's very thick and chewy, but at the same time, the taste lingers in your mouth. And
Oh yeah, keep going.
it's good. It's very good.
Yeah, and we're out.